Hi there, I'm just going to demonstrate our hackathon submission for the AWS Serverless hack. We decided to take on the challenge of trying to solve the problem of human trafficking in an interesting way. We all have hardware backgrounds, so we just developed a hardware sensor kit and a web application backed by a bunch of different AWS services. So this is our sensor kit here. What we actually achieve is we use one ESP8266 in order to sniff Wi-Fi beacons, so SSIDs and MAC addresses, and we send that data over a one-wire serial to the other ESP8266, which can connect over Wi-Fi or SIM cards if deployed to remote places in the field. Ultimately, these devices would be managed probably by government organizations, or we'd be sort of contracting out our services. We install these on fixed equipment, and basically what they'll do is they'll scan and then send that information along with the GPS location back to AWS IoT. So that's what we're doing, we're streaming all that information back. And here is our proof of concept. So we did a bit of a drive around and captured a bunch of SSIDs. Now, in reality, we are actually capturing the MAC addresses. However, for privacy reasons, I'm not going to be displaying that information. The API that we deployed only does SSIDs and is simply a proof of concept of what's actually achievable using our solution. Now, if you click on each of these points, you'll see which SSID was found in that area, along with the RSSI and the channel. Like I said, this is all deployed through AWS IoT. We're just doing a simple query across the MQTT endpoint that we're using to deliver our data from our sensors. And then we're depositing that information into a DynamoDB table here. The front-end application, we just use Leaflet, and our API endpoint's available here. Navigating to that API endpoint, you just get a full list of all the SSIDs. We're actually building a query language on top of it as well that will allow you to return information relevant to certain SSIDs and query historical data as well. For more information about the circuit design, we have it all in our repo, along with our full architecture. This entire stack was deployed using CloudFormation, and eventually we also deploy using the Serverless SAM CLI tool. However, everything that you can see here is also available via CloudFormation. We make use of the IoT vending machine in order to deploy our devices in a nice and neat way. And we have other scripts relating to ingesting your private keys and then using them to set up your projects. Check out our README, it's super detailed if you want to deploy it yourself. I highly recommend it, it's a lot of fun. And thank you very much for your time.